Taking on a challenger, a guide to understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase, take on a challenger. This phrase is not just about sports or competitions. It's a versatile expression used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings, how to use it, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. So, let's get started. Take on a challenger combines two key components, take on and a challenger. Take on means to agree to compete against someone or accept a challenge. A challenger refers to someone who competes against another, especially in a contest, competition, or battle. Together, this phrase generally means to accept a competition or fight against someone who is issuing a challenge. While take on a challenger might immediately bring to mind physical competitions like sports or martial arts, it's also widely used in business, gaming, and personal development contexts. Here's how it applies in different scenarios. 1. In sports, a boxer might take on a challenger for the championship title. 2. In business, a company might take on a challenger by competing against a new competitor in the market. 3. In personal growth, someone might take on a challenger by facing their fears or trying something new that challenges their abilities. To help you better understand how to use take on a challenger, let's look at some examples. The reigning chess champion decided to take on a challenger from a rival school. Our startup is ready to take on a challenger in the tech industry by innovating our products. After months of training, she felt confident enough to take on a challenger in the national debate competition. These examples show how you can use the phrase in different sentences to convey accepting challenges in competitive or personal growth situations. I hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, take on a challenger, and how you can use it in various contexts. Whether you're talking about sports, business, or facing personal challenges, this phrase is a powerful way to express the act of accepting and facing challenges head-on. Remember, learning English is a journey, and each new phrase you learn adds to your ability to express yourself more vividly. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.